And we're back.
Morning.
Good morning. At 9 a.m.
It is.
And last night we went to sleep at, what, midnight? A little past midnight?
No, it was like 1.
Yeah.
Which is
past,
4 o'clock our
past midnight.
time.
I'm still
We're
accurate.
such party animals.
Right. So, we're dying actually. You were tired. So anyways, today we gotta go eat and drive down to the Hoover Dam. We got another hotel that we gotta check in down in Williams, closer to the Grand Canyon. You guys ready?
Ready. Let's go. I'm hungry.
Yeah, let's go eat.
Let's go.
Peace.
Go.
Like the sunshine brings the light, fill me up with a flame. I will let you in this game. Take me up when I'm down, 'cause with you I'm saving some. Let me feel I'm all yours. I just wanna hold you close. Again.
We made it to the hotel.
Finally.
We had the Ramada and Williams. We were at the what's that called? The Hoover Dam for quite a while.
Yep, that's what it's called. The
Yeah.
Hoover Dam.
Hoover Dam. And it was really nice. It was amazing. We liked it a lot.
Yeah, it was really nice. The weather was good too.
Yeah, we didn't expect that we were gonna spend that much time there, but I mean, it was so nice that we just stayed there for a little bit longer. Just walked around, took tons of pictures, a lot of videos, and then we drove. Well, I drove.
I was there.
Were you?
Yeah. So we drove.
So.
I supported you. I was a support system.
Yeah. That
Co-pilot. I told you where to go.
That counts.
Turn left, turn right, go straight.
It was straight the whole time.
No, it wasn't.
Okay. So.
Okay.
Anyways, we almost ran out of gas.
No, you almost ran out of gas.
She panicked.
No, I didn't. You panicked.
She was like, just pull over and set the car on fire and call the insurance. I was like, what?
What? Why are you telling lies? That's
Anyways,
not what happened.
so-
You panicked. I said, don't worry. I'm sure there will be a gas station.
That's not
and
true.
Sure
So,
enough,
yeah, we found a gas station.
there was a gas station.
And
12
actually,
miles later.
yeah, and actually, because of the gas station, we found a nice little spot where there was some train tracks, and I took some shots.
On Route 66?
Yeah, Route 66. Fueled up, and then we finally made it here.
You're forgetting something. We got some snacks and a coffee.
Yeah, snacks and coffee.
Mm-hmm.
The guy was cool. He was like, "You have a good day now, sir." I was like, "Roger that, mom."
That is not what you said.
He is cool though.
You're ridiculous.
So we gotta plan what we're gonna do tomorrow. So at least we're now not too far from Grand Canyon. So tomorrow we start heading towards the Grand Canyon and plan it out.
We
We'll
need
see.
a good night rest. For
Yeah.
that.
So tomorrow morning we'll update you guys as to what the we're gonna do, if we even know by then. But anyways, good night, peeps.
Over and out.
Late.